Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. And I'm going to use this brush. If you have a cleaning tool, you can use a normal toothbrush. And also I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol, and I recommend it to use it. It doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. Now I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts on my left and right earbud, and also I'm going to apply it at the charging case. Right here we have also charging contacts, so I'm going to apply it here. Amazing. Now let's clean it with a brush. Now let's move to the right one. Then let's move to the charging case. And the right side. Now I recommend it to clean the grill. So we need to remove ear tips and now slightly clean it. Here we go. Now we need to attach this ear tip back and remove it from the second earbud. And again we need to slightly clean it. And then attach the ear tip. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.